नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। दिस इज JVN डॉक्टर विशाल सक्सेना, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर इन मैथमेटिक्स इन ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर. Today I am going to discuss about the module addition, subtraction and multiplication of matrices. This module is a part of the course Elementary Mathematics. So we see here first the matrix addition. What is matrix addition? By recalling the small concept of addition of algebraic expressions, we know that while the addition of algebraic expressions can only be done with the corresponding like terms, similarly the addition of two matrices can be done by the addition of corresponding terms in the matrices. For example, suppose we have two matrices P and Q consisting of some elements and the order of matrices P and Q are same. These are of order 3 by 3. Then how can be done here the matrix addition? Simply P plus Q is written for matrix addition and it is equal to 2 plus 3, means just corresponding elements are to be added. So 2 plus 3 like 4 plus 5, 3 plus 7, 5 plus 8, 7 plus 3, 8 plus 4, 9 plus 5, 6 plus 7 and 7 plus 8. So this is called the matrix addition. Just corresponding elements are to be added. Next is what is matrix subtraction. Exactly similarly we have to do matrix subtraction as we have done in matrix addition. Just we have to subtract the corresponding elements of two matrices in place of matrix addition. So matrix subtraction is exactly the same as matrix addition. All the constants valid for addition are also valid for the matrix subtraction. Matrix subtraction can only be done when the two matrices are of the same size, that means same order. Subtraction can be defined for matrices of different sizes. Mathematically, P minus Q is the matrix subtraction. In other words, it can be said that matrix subtraction is an addition of the inverse of a matrix to the given matrix, that is like P plus minus Q. If matrix Q has to be subtracted from the matrix P, then we will take the inverse of matrix Q and add it to matrix P. The next is matrix multiplication. In matrix multiplication, if A and B be any two matrices, then their product written by AB will be defined only when the number of columns in matrix A is equal to number of rows in the matrix B. So this is the primary condition for the multiplication of the two matrices A and B, means the number of columns in the matrix A must be equal to the number of rows in the matrix B. So it is shown that here matrix A is Aij of order m by n and matrix B written by Bij is of the order n by p. So we can see these two matrices can be multiplied, and because here the number of columns in the matrix A is equal to number of rows in the matrix B, that is n. So their product is written by AB Ij, which is equal to Cij. C is any notation for the resulting matrix of product, and this equal to written by summation AIR BRJ, and the R is here from 1 to n. Now one example is given that here the two matrices A and B are shown that the order of the first matrix A is 3 by 3 and the order of second matrix is 3 by 2. So matrix multiplication is possible because the number of columns in the first matrix is 3 while the number of rows in the second matrix is 2. So what is the order of the resulting matrix? It is here 3 by 2. The order of the resulting matrix is 3 by 2. And how can we multiply? Now we see here this. First of all, we have to take the first of the matrix A, that is 2, 1, 3, and we have to multiply this row by the first column of the second matrix, that is 1, 2, 4. So these are to be multiplied, and just we will see in this way: 2 into 1 plus 1 into 2 plus 3 into 4, that is equal to 16. In the similar way, we have to take the first row of the matrix A and multiply by the second column of matrix B. That is 2, 1, 3 is the first row of the matrix A, and the second column of the matrix is the -2, 1 and -2. So in this way here we have to multiply these two matrices, and the resulting matrix is here 2 into -2 plus 1 into 1 and plus 3 into -3. So that is equal to -12. So in this way we have to multiply the rows of matrix A by the columns of matrix B, and we have to write in the corresponding place here, like we can see here the 16 is the value of the element we have obtained by the first row of A and by the first column of B. So this 16 will come in the place of A11. It is 16 A11 position. Then -12 is the position of A12, because we have taken the first row of the matrix A and multiplied by the second column of matrix B. So the result is -12. So therefore -12 will come at the position of A12, means first row and second column. Similarly 3 will come at the position of A21, means second row and first column. So in this way the matrix multiplication can be done. BA is not possible since the number of columns of B is not equal to number of rows of A. This session is powered by Digital Version 2, Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope all you are satisfied with this digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve your doubts and problems. With this, I conclude today's session. Thank you.